What benefits can be gained from using ChatGPT in the classroom?
The benefits of using ChatGPT for ESL lesson planning. Introduction. Welcome, everyone. Today, we'll explore how ChatGPT can be a powerful tool for ESL teachers. Whether you're planning lessons, creating materials, or enhancing student engagement, ChatGPT can streamline your workflow and offer innovative solutions. From generating lesson plans to crafting dialogues, exercises, and even interactive visuals, we'll discuss how you can maximize this tool for more effective teaching. Here are the 5 benefits of using ChatGPT. 1. Efficient lesson plan creation. 2. Creating engaging images. 3. Crafting realistic dialogues. 4. Generating audio materials. 5. Designing interactive exercises. Benefit 1. Efficient lesson plan creation. One of the biggest challenges ESL teachers face is time. Creating detailed, structured lesson plans can be time-consuming, especially when tailoring them to different proficiency levels. ChatGPT simplifies this process by quickly generating full lesson plans based on your specific needs. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to create a 1-hour B2 level lesson plan on modals of obligation. Within seconds, you'll receive a structured outline with objectives, key vocabulary, exercises, and discussion points. You can also refine it, adjusting the focus, adding interactive elements, or specifying target grammar structures. This allows teachers to spend less time on planning and more time engaging with students. Benefit 2. Creating engaging images. Visual aids are essential in ESL teaching, especially when introducing new vocabulary, grammar concepts, or storytelling elements. Instead of searching endlessly for suitable images, ChatGPT, integrated with image generation tools, allows you to create custom visuals tailored to your lesson. For example, if you need an image illustrating common phrasal verbs like run into or pick up, ChatGPT can generate a scene that represents these actions clearly. Similarly, for storytelling lessons, you can request illustrations of different scenarios to support comprehension and discussion. This feature enhances engagement, making lessons more interactive and visually appealing. Benefit 3. Crafting realistic dialogues. Role-playing and real-world communication are crucial to ESL learning. ChatGPT can generate dialogues tailored to different contexts: formal business meetings, casual conversations, job interviews, or even travel situations. The advantage? You can adjust tone, formality, and vocabulary depending on the learner's level. Need a professional email exchange? A casual dialogue using phrasal verbs? A conversation between a tourist and a hotel receptionist? ChatGPT can craft authentic dialogues, helping students practice natural interactions in a variety of settings. By incorporating these dialogues into your lessons, students gain exposure to realistic language use and cultural nuances. Benefit 4. Generating audio materials. Listening comprehension and pronunciation are key aspects of ESL learning. ChatGPT, when integrated with text-to-speech tools, can produce clear, natural-sounding audio clips to accompany lesson materials. For example, if you're teaching a lesson on workplace communication, you can generate an audio script of a job interview or a customer service call. This allows students to hear different accents, intonations, and sentence structures, strengthening their listening skills. Additionally, you can create pronunciation exercises where students listen and repeat words or phrases, improving their fluency and confidence. Benefit 5. Designing interactive exercises. No lesson is complete without engaging activities. ChatGPT can generate a variety of exercises tailored to your teaching objectives. Whether it's fill-in-the-blank activities for grammar practice, matching exercises for vocabulary building, or comprehension quizzes, you can create customized tasks with just a simple prompt. For example, if you're teaching comparatives and superlatives, ChatGPT can generate exercises where students must complete sentences like, "The Amazon is larger than the Nile. This is the exciting trip I've ever taken." You can also create role-play prompts or discussion questions to encourage active participation. The ability to customize these activities ensures they cater to different learning styles, making lessons more dynamic.
A practical demonstration. Now let's see ChatGPT in action. We'll go through a step-by-step example to create a complete lesson plan, including an engaging image, a realistic dialogue, and an interactive exercise. 1. Lesson plan request. We'll ask ChatGPT to create a B1 level lesson focused on discussing past travel experiences. The lesson will emphasize the use of the past simple and present perfect tenses. 2. Image generation. We'll request an image of a traveler asking for directions in a foreign country to make the lesson more engaging. 3. Dialogue creation. We'll generate a short, realistic exchange between a traveler and a hotel receptionist to model natural conversation. 4. Exercise design. We'll create a fill-in-the-blank activity using past tense verbs related to travel experiences, reinforcing the grammar focus. By the end of this demonstration, you'll see how easy it is to integrate these features into your lesson planning process. You will need to download the created image from ChatGPT and then use photo editing software to convert the image from its format, from picture.webp to a PNG or JPG format. One such free program that can do this is called GIMP, Graphics Image Manipulation Program, a free program that is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux OSs. Download it from their website at hts/w.gimp.org. After downloading it, you will then be able to change the format to your needed preference. Audio generation in ChatGPT, although not officially supported, is possible by downloading generated audio from ChatGPT. Currently, there are Google browser extensions that enable this function, such as Save the ChatGPT voice. The resulting downloads can be created in various male and female voices in English using this program. In fact, this voice was created using it. The first step is to create the dialogue, then tell ChatGPT to separate the dialogue by the person speaking. After that, you can create the male or female voice using the desired voice. Finally, you will need to merge the audio files together using Audacity to combine them into one audio file.
Hi, Tom. Do you have a minute to talk? I wanted to talk about the report you submitted yesterday. First, you did a good job gathering the data. It's clear you worked hard on it. Yes, I can see that. But I noticed a few small issues with the formatting. Some sections weren't very clear, and the charts were a bit hard to read. It's a common mistake. Maybe next time you can use bigger fonts for the titles and make the colors easier to see. Also, try to organize the sections with clear headings. Great. And if you need any help, feel free to ask. You're doing well, and I know your next report will be even better. No problem, Tom. Keep up the good work.
Sure, Anna. What's up? Thanks, I tried to include everything. Oh, I didn't realize that. I thought the charts were okay. That makes sense. Thanks for the advice. I'll do that for the next report. Thanks, Anna. I appreciate your feedback.
Hi, Tom. Do you have a minute to talk?
Sure, Anna. What's up?
I wanted to talk about the report you submitted yesterday. First, you did a good job gathering the data. It's clear you worked hard on it.
Thanks, I tried to include everything.
Yes, I can see that. But I noticed a few small issues with the formatting. Some sections weren't very clear, and the charts were a bit hard to read.
Oh, I didn't realize that. I thought the charts were okay.
It's a common mistake. Maybe next time you can use bigger fonts for the titles and make the colors easier to see. Also, try to organize the sections with clear headings.
That makes sense. Thanks for the advice. I'll do that for the next report.
Great. And if you need any help, feel free to ask. You're doing well, and I know your next report will be even better.
Thanks, Anna. I appreciate your feedback.
No problem, Tom. Keep up the good work.
Refining, improving something by making small changes. Perhaps refining it would make it stronger. Enhance, to improve the quality, value, or extent of something. We could enhance it by adding more visuals. Implement, to put a plan or suggestion into action. I'll implement your suggestions. Pacing, the speed at which something progresses, especially in presentations or storytelling. One area that could be improved is the pacing. Clarifying, making something easier to understand. Would you recommend clarifying that section? Insight, a deep understanding of a situation or problem. I appreciate your insight. Adjust, to change something slightly to make it better or more suitable. I'll adjust it accordingly. Revisit, to go back and review or reconsider something. You might want to revisit that section. Valid, based on good reasoning or logic, acceptable. That's a valid point. Combining, bringing two or more things together to create something new. Do you think there's a way to combine both ideas?
Tom, your presentation had a lot of detailed information, which was great. I was particularly impressed by how you explained the data trends. That said, one area that could be improved is the pacing. Some sections felt a bit rushed, which made it harder to follow. To make it more engaging, you might want to pause briefly between sections or add more visual breaks in your slides.
Thanks for pointing that out, Anna. I hadn't considered the pacing. It's a good point. Do you think adding more visuals would help slow things down naturally? I appreciate your insight. I'll definitely work on making it more balanced.